and some strengthening exercises. One thing we could do is give him a weighted implement in his hand here, and with the elbow either in flexion or extension, we'd have him go through some slow supination with his hand, or some even slow pronation. Ideally, the implement would be weighted to one side, so we could even have him grip it, go ahead and release it a little bit, grip it more towards one side, like a hammer or a long screwdriver, something like that, and go through that slow supination and pronation into that eccentric supination pronation. Next thing we could do is, if this implement was weighted again, we could go through quick concentric wrist extension here, and then slowly lowering that down to the bottom with the wrist, just using the wrist. Good. And then we could have him use his other hand to bring it back up into that wrist extension, and then let it go slowly down into wrist flexion. We could also do the opposite by turning the hand over and going through slow wrist flexion and then slow wrist